Number of mask mandates across the region continue through the month of October, but tonight a local group is saying enough is enough. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Sarah Diamond. Josh Smith has the night off. Kelly Grossfield spoke with members of the group Johnson City Freedom and tells us why they think masks should be no more.
I am a mother.
I am a doctor.
I'm a nurse.
The Johnson City Freedom Group is 800 members strong. Some of those members featured in a recently released YouTube video range in professions from doctors to realtors to just concerned parents, all sharing the same opinion regarding the continuation of mask mandates across the Tri-Cities.
The reason we did our video was because we have a message to those we elected to represent us, and we don't feel like they're representing us. We don't feel like they're listening to us.
Danielle Goodrich started the group and isn't the only one calling on local leaders to lift restrictions. Shannon Myers believes wearing a mask should be a choice.
And so I just would like to see people be able to have their opinion and also have that sovereign right to their own bodies and their children's bodies.
Melissa Housewright actually contracted COVID this summer, and with her autoimmune deficiency, she fell into a dangerous category, but she fought it and says she believes social distancing is a stronger measure than wearing a mask.
I'm not saying that COVID's not real, because COVID is real, but I just think a lot of people are fearful. And I don't think we should be fearful to not wear a mask if we choose not to.
These concerns were brought to County Mayor Joe Grandy.
It's a great group of folks, and they have concerns about the mask, and they have some research. And as you know, with most situations, there's conflicting research.
But for now, the mandate remains in place.
I don't think any of us enjoy wearing these masks, but it's generally, in my opinion, a small price to pay for our businesses being open and our children being able to be in the classroom.
And for Goodrich, she says she will continue her fight to get back to the way things were before this pandemic.
Whenever they're talking about this new normal sounds pretty permanent, and we're not okay with that.
In Johnson City, Kelly Grossfield, News Channel 11.
Members of that group plan to speak at tonight's Johnson City School Board meeting regarding their concerns about masks in school. That meeting is expected, it's actually started just moments ago at 6 o'clock.